Learning how to handle your child's emotional and behavioral struggles is very important. Many children with mental health issues find it hard to cope with learning disabilities, and most of them may resist going to college because they find it difficult living independently. A time comes when they have to go and start staying away from family. Start preparing your child psychologically that there's going to be a little separation. Although you will keep in touch and you will visit as often as possible. Instill the need for education for a better life. Transition is not an easy phase for many teenagers. A teenager with schizophrenia may suffer a lot of depression when sent away from home. Issues like homesickness, eating disorders, roommate problems, and anxiety are likely to occur. Encourage your child not to find it difficult, because going to college is a great way to make her future bright. Talk about mental health in college when your child goes to college. If he is not able to handle his anxiety and stress, depression is likely to occur. Depressed children with poor morals are easy to introduce into drugs and immorality. Let your child know the kind of peer she will meet at the campus and the dangers of engaging in these vices. It's time to talk openly and proactively about mental health in college. Let her know that college life has got to be overwhelming for everyone at some point. Engage your child into a dialogue and openly share the facts about her mental health. Together, explore the resources available in the college and for him to know who to contact in case of a crisis. Support your child through college applications. One of the biggest mistakes you can do is to fail to listen to your child. Many times parents want their children to do things their way, but this is not right. Sit down with your child and discuss college life together. Compare different colleges and apply for the one she's got interested in if it is a good campus. Support your child all through the college application process. Help your child pack for college. Help your child pack everything, including the emotional and social tools that will help him prosper in the campus. Her mental condition may lead to forgetfulness and anxiety, thus you need to be there to ensure everything the child needs for college life is packed. Encourage your child to ask for help. Many college students think that asking for help is to prove their failures. To help your child reduce the stigma of mental problems, encourage her to seek support. Listening to her peers as they share their stories of dealing with their mental illnesses can help. This promotes emotional health and reduces cases of suicide among college students. Conclusion. To help your child manage her mental health and thrive in college, ask about the services, programs and support channels in the campus where your child can find help. Encourage your child to use the resources available.